Hola, boys and girls. Guess what? It's almost, well, no, it is November. Guess what? Today is November 1st. And when you guys make this, it's actually going to be November 2nd. So it would be cool to make our calendar a turkey calendar. So these are the things you're going to need. And I am going to pause the video in places where I feel like it's going to take too long. All right. But you're going to need scissors. You're going to need some Crayola markers. Mine are the skinny kind. The thicker ones are better because it's just easier and faster with the thicker ones. But these are the only ones I could find at home. You're going to need a spray bottle that sprays water, okay? So make sure you go find a parent and ask them to find you a spray bottle with water, not hairspray, not Lysol, okay? Water. You're going to need your turkey body, your little turkey poem, and your eyes. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to take all of this out of the way. And, oh, you're going to need your coffee filter. That you should have gotten with the rest of your stuff. So right now, the only thing I want you to have is your coffee filter and your markers. You're going to take your markers and you can color your coffee filter with all the colors you'd like. I try to stay away from black only because, you know, it's a very dark color. But usually November colors are orange and brown. Oh, and yellow. And some green. But you can do any colors. I just take the black out because it's just too dark. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your coffee filter and you're just going to color it in all messy. Alright? This is the only time I'll tell you it's okay to do messy. Alright, so this is the part that I'm going to pause the video. And I want you guys to keep coloring. And make sure you fill in that coffee filter really well with all the colors. No white is left. Okay, I'm going to pause it. And then when I get back, it'll be more full with color. Alright guys, I'm back. And here is what the coffee filter looks like once I've filled it up with color. Now, the next part is a little messy. You're going to want to find a place where you can hang up your coffee filter for about 5 minutes so that it could dry. So maybe you can put it outside. But if you put it outside, make sure you put a rock or something on it or else it will fly away. So you're going to get your little spray bottle. And don't get too close like this, but you want to spray it from far away. Gently. Not too much water. And you're going to start to see all the colors kind of mix. Alright, I think mine is ready. Ew, it's all yucky. Alright, so I'm going to go find a place to put this. Maybe right here on my window. Hopefully it does not drip everywhere and make a mess. Uh-oh. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hang it up somewhere. It's not working. Oh my goodness. Just a minute. Alright. Well, I put it on. I put it over by my window to see if it'll dry. And in the meantime, I'm going to take these tissues and clean up my mess. You gotta make sure you dry up your area because you don't want to get your other papers wet. Alright, now, next step. Make sure it's dry. You're going to take your turkey body. I know it doesn't look like a turkey yet, but it will. And we're going to cut this out. Alright? And while I'm cutting, let's talk about the way you hold your scissors. Make sure your thumb is on the top. And when you cut, you use your other hand to move the paper around and try to stay on the line as much as you can. Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you guys you also need a glue stick. Silly me, I forgot. Sorry guys. Run and get a glue stick. Alright, so now we're going to take our blue construction paper. Oh, we can't glue that on yet, silly Mrs. Coriano. Why? Because the filter is not dry yet, so I'm gonna pause my video and make my filter dry, and then I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. Alright, look at this. See? I think it's dry. I don't think I wet it right there, but that's alright. So, be really careful with your coffee filter because it could tear easily, so I'm gonna put glue right here. Instead of on the coffee filter, I'm going to put it on the blue construction paper and then just kind of smooth it out, and it should stick. And then make sure it's just closer to the top. Alright, now here's Mr. Turkey. You don't want to put him way down here or else he's not going to have room for his legs. So put him a little bit higher like that. Turn him over. Glue stick. Ta-da! Right in the center. Alright. Let's put some more glue there. Okay, now... Uh-oh, where's the rest of my stuff? Oh, here it is. On the floor! Alright, so here's the little turkey poem. Let's read it. It says, I'm a little turkey. I'm a little turkey, my name is Ted. Here are my feathers, here is my head. Gobble, gobble, gobble is what I say. Run, run, run because it's Thanksgiving Day. I'm so glad I'm not a turkey or else I'd be running away all the time. Let's glue that thing in wherever it fits. Alright, now this is really fun because we get to peel off our eyeballs and stick them on our turkey. Yay! Alright, now we'll probably need some crayons. How about we make some legs? You can make them whatever color you want. I'm going to try to make them orange. So just make 2 lines that come down. And then the little sticks to show the little toes. And then how about a face? Or a beak, right? Let me think. I think I'll do like a triangle for the beak. And then we gotta give him that red jiggly thing that hangs from his beak like this. And it's red. Rojo. Ta-da! I'm done. There's my turkey. Great job, you guys. Save this because tomorrow we're going to do the back side, okay? So don't throw it away. But we're done with the first part of the calendar. Hope you had fun.